So it's been about 2 minutes since the burn began. We are in the entry, descent, and landing phase of the mission. This is the largest burn of the evening, and as we mentioned, this really commits us to splashing down specifically at that Panama City location just off the coast.
And we were monitoring weather all the way until
and those 4 drogue chutes. Oh, you can see them being pulled out now.
Visual on 4 mains.
And Resilience copies, and we see a nominal descent rate.
SpaceX copies and concurs nominal descent rate.
and there are the boats starting to chase after Dragon to begin their recovery operations as soon as Dragon lands. And I don't know if you can hear the applause
on splashdown.
But we have visual confirmation of the Crew-1 Resilience capsule.
From Resilience, this excellent news. We are splashed down. The pyros have fired. We're water.
A great view of the capsule now and the person preparing it to be hoisted on to Go Navigator. Long-duration crew members, as returning to a gravity environment, can essentially wreak havoc with our vestibular system, which is responsible for maintaining our
recovery vessel, Go Navigator. And here is, I think that's Mike Hopkins, the commander. He's very excited.
Feeling pretty good after 6 months in space.
It can do things to your body, so
those 2 SpaceX team members preparing to help out the next crew member.